Hello, everybody. Let me continue creating plan sheets using the Revit. So first, let me just separate out two windows. So we'll be using project browser a lot. So as I mentioned, if you look at your project browser, so go to the sheets, or you can click directly the sheets folder, sheets button, so you can see the sheets. Can create a new one. And this is the one you just created, C102 unnamed. So as I mentioned before, and change the name and change your project name and change it unnamed as a CE131. So when you click that, you can easily find your sheets. So then go to the project browser and we have a 3D views, right? And you can just drag and drop those 3D views. So right here and drag and drop, and you can drag and drop too. So if there's any formatting issues, and you can double click and change some scales. So if you want to change the house size a little bigger, then when you take a camera shot, you need to get a little closer to the building, so it will be bigger. So next, if you drag and drop architecture tab, architecture plan view, it created error message, right? Basically, you already have this plan sheet available. So either you need to delete all of them unnecessary, create a new one, drag and drop, or there is existing one here already. So this is a plan. So then let me delete this and go back to your plan sheets. So you can actually drag and drop here, right? So it doesn't look very good, the formatting issues. So the box outside is showing that, right? So if you look at your project browser properties, so if you scroll down a little bit, uh, it's called the scope box. So make a scope box none and click that one. And also, if you scroll down a little bit here, there are two boxes here, crop view, crop region visible. So make those two boxes checked. And crop view, crop region visible, and make this scope box none. So when you click this, and you can see those circles. So when you move those circles closer to your model, and you can create a nice plan view and move. So those scales, you need to make it a little shorter and move this close to your plan view. So the scales. If you want to physically change those scales, and right here, view scales. So if you make it a little small or change the scale a little bigger. So let me go back. Original. And elevation view, the same thing. So if you go to elevation view, so when you drag and drop, it will create error message, right? Because you already have it here, your elevation view. So if you go to elevation east, right here. So you can actually drag and drop, and you can see the elevation view, right? So select here the same as we did it before, crop view, crop region visible, and then scope box. So check this scope box, none. And then you can actually change the size of the box. And get closer for both sides. So you can further work on those formatting issues. Also, so you can submit this sheet as a PDF file as a homework assignment requirements. Okay, so I'll make this video available on the website as well.